Hi, I'm Dr. Komal Evnani, Child Dental Specialist at Cosmodent India. Biren Gugnani, 3-year-old boy, came to us with a complaint of lot of cavities in the mouth and mild pain due to the same. At first, the parents were apprehensive that how will the child get the treatment done, especially when it involves multiple teeth. They feared that the treatment duration will go for long hours and the child would be really cranky and fearful due to the same. So we decided to do the treatment under conscious sedation. Conscious sedation is also known as laughing gas dentistry. The magic of conscious sedation is such that it tries to calm the mind and make sure that the child is really relaxed during the treatment. Conscious sedation is basically nitrous oxide gas which the child inhales through the nasal hood. It is given along with oxygen. So the magic of sedation is such that the child is really relaxed during the entire treatment, making sure that the treatment is done very safely. Biren is otherwise a very friendly child, but when it came to dental treatment and entering the dental clinic at first, he was quite anxious. Me and my team made sure that we get to know Biren before starting his treatment. We made him acquainted to the clinic environment, got to know his likes and dislikes, and then we got him on the dental chair. Along with conscious sedation, we also use some other behavior modification techniques like visual distractions, maybe putting on his favorite cartoon, and we also tried to use the approach of tell, show, do. I explained him all the dental instruments and all the procedures in a very child-friendly language. Slowly and steadily, we were able to gain his cooperation, and once put on the sedation nozzle, Biren was extremely relaxed, and we did his entire dental treatment in just 2 visits. We completed his cavity fillings and tooth colored crowns and various root canals very easily.
I had a great experience coming here, and Viren had a great treatment here. His teeth were really in a very bad condition, but finally the doctor was very nice, and the hygiene over here was really well maintained. The display is very great. My son enjoyed a lot over here. He loves playing and coming here. He thought we are coming to a play area, and in play he enjoyed doing his treatment, and he was also very cranky very first day when he came here, and finally doctor managed him and settled him down, and he became friend with her, and finally he was happy. He wants to come here again and again. But yes, we were done with this treatment in 2 sittings, and we really enjoyed coming here, and the hygiene is very well maintained. I should appreciate and recommend it to everybody.
Our aim as a pediodontist team at Cosmodent India is not only to get the dental treatment done, but also to instill a positive dental attitude in your child's mind so that they do not fear visiting a dentist ever again.